50 years ago, the first section of the W&OD trail, just a little over a mile long, opened in Falls Church. That trail has had an impact on Fairfax County and the region. It's been a major influence on the Rails to Trails movement across the country.
So today was a celebration of the 50th anniversary of the W&OD Trail. The celebration did include reading of a proclamation approved by the Board of Supervisors. Supervisors Bierman and Paulchek joined me to read the proclamation. And we are also joined by several members of the General Assembly. It was really a time to celebrate not just the last 50 years, but also the beginning of the trail and how it came about. I'm so pleased that the Virginia Room is developing a collection of history of the trail and what came before the trail. There's some wonderful photographs of some of the old train stations, and also they're documenting how we ended up getting the trail. And so that will now be documented in the Virginia Room, and I'm very pleased about that. For a lot of people, it actually is a place to recreate, but for others, it's even a place to commute to get to job. So it's wonderful. I'm so pleased this commemoration is happening, and I look forward to the next 50 years of the W&OD.